We are pleased to present this video to you on behalf of Solutions Advisor LLC. Our video aims to give you useful information you can use to improve your life and the lives of your family members. Please consult a lawyer who is knowledgeable about your issue for legal advice, as our videos are intended for educational purposes and do not provide any legal advice. Subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos are all ways you can support us. Give me liberty. Once upon a time, in a bustling city on the East Coast, there lived a young woman named Liberty. She had always been responsible with her finances, paying her bills on time and living within her means. However, when she lost her job due to the pandemic, things started to spiral out of control. Liberty found herself struggling to make ends meet and eventually fell behind on some of her credit card payments. As a result, her credit score began to suffer and she found it increasingly difficult to get approved for loans or even rent an apartment. Feeling helpless and frustrated, Liberty began to research ways to improve her credit score. She came across the concept of credit repair and decided to give it a try. She started by contacting each of her creditors and explaining her situation. She was surprised to find that many of them were willing to work with her to come up with a payment plan that she could afford. Next, Liberty worked on paying off her debts and making sure all of her bills were paid on time. She also began monitoring her credit report closely, disputing any errors she found and working to correct any negative information. It wasn't easy, but Liberty was determined to take control of her financial future. And after months of hard work, she started to see the fruits of her labor. Her credit score began to steadily improve and she was able to get approved for a loan to start her own business. Feeling grateful and empowered, Liberty decided to start a credit repair company of her own to help others in similar situations. And as the business grew, she knew that she had finally achieved the financial freedom she had always dreamed of. Do you need a credit repair coach? Are you ready to increase your score? Are you ready to control your debt? Our sincere thanks go out to you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Our goal is to bring you life-changing content, and the simple acts of subscribing, liking, and sharing are how you help us do so.